Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from Venmo to another external wallet. Let's get started. First, open your Venmo app and make sure you're logged into your account. Navigate to the bottom of the screen and tap on the Crypto section. From there, select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Now look at the bottom right corner where you'll see two arrows indicating a transfer. Tap on this button to begin the process. If this is your first time transferring Bitcoin on Venmo, the app will ask you to verify your identity. You'll need to provide personal information, including your full name, social security number, and current address. This verification process is required for security purposes and regulatory compliance. Once your identity is verified, you'll reach the transfer screen. Tap on Send at the top of the display. Here's where you'll paste the Bitcoin address of your external wallet. It's absolutely crucial that you double-check this address before proceeding, as any mistakes could result in permanent loss of your Bitcoin. After entering the correct address, Venmo will require additional security verification. You'll need to scan your face and a photo ID to confirm your identity. This extra step helps protect your account from unauthorized transfers. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Keep in mind that Venmo has minimum transfer requirements for external wallets, unlike transfers to other Venmo users where you can send smaller amounts. If you try to send less than the minimum, the app won't allow you to proceed. Once you've entered a valid amount, review all transfer details carefully. Confirm that the receiving address is correct and the amount is exactly what you want to send. When you're certain everything is accurate, complete the transfer. Your Bitcoin will be on its way to the external wallet. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.